In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript AI. By the end, you'll feel confident getting set up, navigating your workspace, and making polished edits that match your style. Start by logging into Descript AI. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a clear option to create something new. Click the New Project button to begin. Right away, choose whether you're creating a video project or an audio project. If you're working with footage, choose video. If you're producing a podcast or voiceover-only content, choose audio. This choice sets up the workspace so the tools match what you need. Next, upload your file. Bring in your video or audio by selecting it from your computer. Keep file names clear so you can spot them quickly later. If you're working with multiple clips, upload them all so everything's ready to go in one place. After the upload completes, Descript will prepare your media for editing. At any time, you can click the Projects tab to view your projects. This is your dashboard for staying organized. Use it to revisit older work, check versions, or jump between different projects without losing your place. When you're ready to edit, click one of your projects and it will take you to the editing screen. Inside the editor, look to the right side panel, and this is where you'll find the AI tools for quick editing. These tools are designed to speed up your workflow, clean up common issues, tighten pacing, and help you refine your content with fewer manual steps. Apply changes thoughtfully and review the results to make sure they fit the tone you're going for. When you want to add visual elements, click the Elements tab. Here you can insert text, shapes, and media. Use text for titles, lower thirds, or callouts. Shapes can help highlight key areas on screen. Adding media like logos or B-roll helps reinforce your story. Keep your fonts, colors, and layout consistent so everything feels on brand and easy to follow. To make your content accessible and easier to watch, click on Captions to add captions or subtitles. Choose a readable font size and color contrast. Position captions where they don't cover important visuals, and skim through to correct any misheard words. Finally, bring it all together and design according to your vision and branding. Keep your look cohesive, balance visuals with audio, and let your message lead your choices. With these steps, you're ready to use Descript AI to produce clean, professional content with confidence.